it's your boy Dean and Gwen. Welcome back to Dean and Gwen's Fun World. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification button. We are going to be doing the explosion challenge. Okay. Okay guys, so here's the one. So here's all the cool stuff. It says on the box that looks like this is for ages 8 and up. Okay, let's get started.
First, you need your beaker. A clean beaker, so it's this one right there. Okay, grab that. 2 scoops of the blue one.
Like this?
Yep.
I'll open it up.
It's sodium bicarbonate.
From the carbonator.
Make sure it's even scoops.
I did it.
1 scoop of citric acid. So step 2. You're gonna add only 2 drops of the red color and you'll see it fizz a little bit.
They already went.
Squeeze a pinch of the mixture and it should stick together.
What's the mixture?
You're gonna put the mixture in this and this right there. And then push it all together.
Volcano. No, that is crazy.
And then you have to wait 3 minutes.
It's been 3 minutes ever since we left, so we are going to be doing 8 drops each, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Place your lava in the crater. 1, 2. So let's look at your little lava.
See where your goggles. See where your goggles, Dean. My turn.
Hold on, bud.
Okay. Now my turn. Oh!
Whoa, his lava is erupting. That's pretty cool, Beanie. Good job, Grant. You want to make another one? You want to make a yellow one?
Yeah, can I make another?
Yep, hold on. What ones are we gonna make?
Yellow and red.
Okay, so we need 2 scoops of the blue one again in that beaker. 1. Okay, and then you need 1 scoop of the red one right there, but only 2 drops of the yellow. Whoa. And then mix it again.
Whoa, this is better than the last one.
Then put 2 more and 1 red. So 2 blue, 1 red, and then 2 drops of the yellow.
I'm gonna do 2 drops of red.
Oh, fancy.
2 drops.
2 drops, that's it. If you put too much in it, it's not gonna work.
See, look how much I put.
It's gonna turn into a set of marshmallow. Okay, how many minutes do we have to wait?
3 more. 3 minutes has passed, so we're gonna put this in here.
How many drops?
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Take this and you're gonna crumble it in there. Okay, crumble it in there. Perfect.
I wanna do it. I wanna do it. I wanna do it. Yeah?
Okay, wait, get it all in there. Now,
Gwen's lucky. He wants to make it.
whoa.
Then I'm gonna do a different one this time.
So the other one we didn't crumble. The other one we put in like how the mold is. This one's gonna crumble and this one should make it go faster down the thing. Okay, now pour.
Whoa. Whoa. All this stuff is rising. Now I'm gonna mix stuff. Can I have water real quick?
Whoa.
I like it.
Overflowing lava.
Okay guys, I just mixed a lot of chemicals together. Looks like Toronto turn. Whoa! See that? Hey, you saw. Oh, you made a river.
Wow, Grant, that's a giant mess, bud.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button. And you guys know what to do. You guys are awesome. You guys can do anything you want, just like us. Remember, everybody, you guys are cool the same way you are. So peace out.